everyone, Austin here at XL Motorsports. Got a pretty cool product here. This is the brand new 2026 Can-Am Defender DPS HD10. We went ahead, installed a power angle plow system for a customer. Really slick setup. I'm gonna show you guys how it works right now. So now that I'm in the cab on this brand new Can-Am Defender, the system is really easy. We actually installed a joystick here, right on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. You have your up and down action right there, and your side to side angle. Really simple, really clean setup. Works really nice. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to take this new plow system off. Let's unhook our winch right here. Pull that off. Disconnect our power angle connector right here on the side. You got this nice big yellow push bar here. Push that and it pops right off. Now let's say we want to install this plow. This is actually a quick connect plow system. So they have this neat little device right here where you'll run the winch cable through it as you have it hooked up to the front. We have our easy access winch mount up here for our control. Now we run this guy in. Make sure you line up with the pins on the bottom, so just like that. Now we run it. Now your plow is already connected. We'll loosen that up. Take off the winch cable there. This guy just sits down like that. And now we'll go to the side and reinstall our cable here. Once that's hooked up, we have full power angle. We put our winch controller back inside the cab, just like that. You're ready to plow with a brand new Can-Am Defender HD10.